Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the transaction ID on Trust Wallet. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Next, navigate to the wallet section and select the token or cryptocurrency for which you want to check the transaction. Scroll through the list of transactions to find the one you are interested in, especially if it is pending, unconfirmed, or recently completed. Tap on the transaction to open the details page. Then, tap on More Details to view the full information on the Blockchain Explorer. Here, you can see the transaction ID, the date and time of the transaction, the sender and receiver addresses, the amount sent, and the network fee paid. Each transaction will also display its status, which can be confirmed, pending, or failed. By reviewing all these details, you can track your transaction, verify that it has been processed correctly, or understand why a transaction might be delayed. Additionally, you can copy the transaction ID if you need to share it for support or tracking purposes. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.